Hi guys, welcome back to Mike Bros. Today, I am going to paint a pixel art parrot on the Nintendo Switch Lite. So, it's a color by number thing, and I can speed run through this very quickly by holding the A button while moving the cursor around with the left joystick. Ready to see this? Alrighty then, here we go! Press any button to start. Ready, steady, go! I'm actually very lucky that you don't make any mistakes on this game. Colorizing, of course. I seem to be painting perfectly here. See that? No coloring mistakes, even if part of the thing is already colored. This part is the branch. Almost done. Last one. Yes! Completed! Pixel art parrot! What do you think? Well, that was brilliant. And that'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more. Bye!